Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Dabur India. Our analyst retains buy on Dabur India with an unchanged price target of Rs 635. The stock is currently trading at 40 times FY25 and 34 times FY26 estimated earnings, which is at a discount to some of close peers. The company indicated sequential improvement in the demand in Q3 of FY24, with urban consumption continuing to remain strong while rural demand remains muted. Lower input prices will continue to push margin, will help better PAT growth ahead of revenue growth in Q3. The company remains committed to drive growth with improved performance across business segments and gain market share across portfolio. The focus on brand building, enhancement of digital capability, increasing distribution footprint and efficiency enhancement continues, which will be the enablers for continued profitable growth and value creation in the coming years. Next, we have an update on Axis Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Axis Bank with a price target of Rs 1350. We believe structural improvement in the franchise is providing strong visibility that the bank would sustain 1.8% ROA, 18% ROE in near to medium term. Structural improvements are better loan mix, reduction in RIDF book, granularization of deposit, utilization of excess liquidity, healthy NIMs supported by sector tailwinds, excess non-NPA provisions buffer resulting in healthy return ratio despite lower RWA growth. Additionally, Citi's integration has turned out to be better on the integration of human resource side. Also, there is no negative surprise element in terms of additional integration cost. We believe as NIMs and CET1 gap gradually narrow with its core peer, valuation multiple would improve further. We maintain buy rating with a revised price target of Rs 1350, rolling forward our valuation to FY26 earnings. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 1 year, and it currently trades at 1.9 times FY25 and 1.6 times FY26 estimated core book value. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.